So I vacuumed it up. You can see down here there's a lot of corrosion, and that is where the heating element attaches to the edge of the boiler. And there's corrosion here, and this is where the drip cup would normally catch it, but when I got the machine there was no drip cup, which means all of these drain hoses were just dripping into the machine. And there's also corrosion here, and this is where the water pump attaches to the motor. And you can see I probably need to do a bit more cleaning there. I want to be really careful though. So yeah, I got some parts I'm going to show you. Firstly, check this out. So I made myself a manual because I need one. And so I dug around online and I was able to get the full manual for operating, instructions and everything. You can see, I won't bore you with all that, but and it also has the schematics for all that stuff, and I don't presume to understand most of what this means. Anyway, what is great is I found these explosion pictures of how everything goes together and comes apart, each of the systems. So this is going to come in handy when I try to assemble it. But anyway, now I have my own little manual book with everything. And this is the old heating element. And it's very crusty, as you can see. And this is corroded. This one's totally broken. So I bought a new heating element, which I'm going to show you. I think, how do I do this while holding the camera? That's the big question. Okay, so here is the heating element. So this wasn't cheap, but it has no corrosion, obviously, and it actually goes into the boiler right here from this side, and it attaches to this, which is the thermostat something or other, and all these wires. And that thermostat coil is into the end of here, which I think is peculiar because according to my diagram, that's not what it looks like. And I got other parts. I think this is my water pump. Again, none of this is cheap, so I have to work my butt off to pay for this stuff. I got a new pressure gauge, and this is my water pump. Actually turns with some resistance with my fingers, but this is the old one, and I can't turn it at all. And this one does turn. This one is, I have to use pliers to turn that, so something is going on inside that old one. So I am currently giving the boiler, which will go there, a few rinses, and after a couple of rinses, I'm going to hook it back up, and it's going to go into there.